Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Ford Edge Titanium. We're going to start right away up front where you have LED running lights. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Swinging around to the back end, you have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Titanium is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.